It's time to finalize your living space and get your aluminum blinds installed. We're here to walk you through the easy installation process. First, make sure you have these tools handy, as well as all the original package contents. For an inside mount installation, position the brackets at each end of the headrail using the top, back, or side holes. If they require more support, space them as evenly as possible. Mark the location with a pencil. Pre-drill holes where you made your marks. Then, screw the brackets into place using 2 screws each. Before installing the blind into the brackets, attach the valance clips. To do so, attach one clip to the front of each end of the headrail. Take the blind, place it into the brackets, and snap the bracket doors down. Lastly, clip in the valance like so. Remember, not all lift types will have the same brackets, so check your installation instruction packet for more details. This is a finished inside mount. When completing an outside mount, your finished product should look like this. Easy peasy! Now you can sit back and enjoy your new aluminum blinds.